On a ship, transformers serve several essential purposes in the electrical systems. Here are some of their primary functions. 1. Voltage transformation. Transformers are used to change the voltage levels of electrical power as it moves through the ship's electrical distribution system. This is crucial because different ship systems and equipment may require different voltage levels for optimal operation. Transformers allow for the stepping up or stepping down of voltage as needed. 2. Power distribution. Transformers play a key role in distributing electrical power across various parts of the ship. They help route power to different sections, ensuring that each part of the ship receives the appropriate amount of electrical energy. 3. Isolation. Transformers provide electrical isolation between different parts of the ship's electrical system. This isolation helps protect sensitive equipment and systems from electrical faults and improves the overall safety of the ship's electrical infrastructure. 4. Connection to shore power. When a ship is docked, it may need to connect to shore power to receive electrical energy from the local electrical grid. Transformers are often used to match the voltage and frequency of the shore power with the ship's electrical system. 5. Frequency conversion. In some cases, ships may operate with different electrical frequencies. Transformers can be employed to convert the frequency of the electrical power, ensuring compatibility between different systems and equipment. 6. Harmonic filtering. Transformers can be equipped with features to filter out harmonics and improve the quality of the electrical power. This is important for maintaining the reliability and efficiency of the ship's electrical systems. 7. Rectification. In certain applications, transformers are used in conjunction with rectifiers to convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. This is common in systems that require DC power for operation. Overall, transformers on ships are crucial components that facilitate the efficient generation, distribution, and utilization of electrical power across various systems and equipment on board. They help ensure the reliability and safety of the ship's electrical infrastructure.